have not recorded. When you have more than the marks and number of lectures. Supposing we have more than 2 variables, this is the only method that will come handy. समझ में आ रहा है? Class, are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
So can you copy this down? I'll solve another problem. दोनों एक साथ copy करो आपको, ठीक है? In 4 days, okay, 8 chairs were made. In 4 days, 8 chairs were made by 6 workers. Okay? This is a given information. So now, in how many days? Okay. In how many? In 7 days. Sorry, in 7 days, how many chairs? Okay. Will 9 workers make? Okay. Now, what we need to understand is जितने दिन ज़्यादा होते हैं, जितने वर्कर्स ज़्यादा होते हैं, ज़्यादा चेयर्स बढ़ते हैं, बराबर? They can make more number of chairs, है कि नहीं? Are you following?
Yes.
So when you increase the number of workers, right? Space has to be reduced. But यहाँ पे देखो ऊपर के यहाँ पे 3 और दिन दिए हैं. 3 और workers ज़्यादा हुए हैं. तो obviously number of chairs also should go up. So can we say they are all directly proportional? They are all directly proportional. Number of chairs is going to be increasing when your number of days and workers increase. Correct? है कि नहीं?
Yes.
So we insert that increasing proportion symbol. Annotation. So I will say, okay, this is increasing. Clear about this? Clear about this? So let me introduce variation here. I will say number of chairs is equal to K times DW. Okay? Clear? है कि नहीं? So I will say 8 is equal to, okay, 24K. है कि नहीं? So my K is equal to 8 by 24. 8 by 24. Correct? Which is equal to 1 by 3. समझ में आ रहा है class? Are you following?
Yes.
Are you all able to understand? All I want here is chair. That is why I took chair on my left hand side. Okay? C is equal to KW. So now, what I will do here, for the next one, I will equate it the same way. I got K's value. So I will say C is equal to, C दिया नहीं है, okay? K by 1, or sorry, I will say TW is equal to 7 into 9 by 3. Correct? Which is equal to, I will have 21 chairs made. Any doubts so far? Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Can we do a similar problem from the exercise? You will copy 3 problems at a stretch. I will give you some time for copy. Okay? Now, your page 163 in my textbook, 63, and some number is 30. Okay? I'll do this problem here. It says 40 workers, okay, can make 16 shells, okay, 16 shells in 8 days. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है? In how many days? Now days has to be calculated. In how many days will 30 workers, okay, take to make 24 shells? Okay. Class, are you following? Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
Same way, let me equate. Okay. I will say instead of chairs, I took it as shelves. S is equal to K B W. Okay. 16 is equal to, I will say, 8 into 40. So 320. 328 into 40. K. समझ में आ रहा है class? Are you following?
Yes.
Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
So what I will do here, K is equal to, okay. I'll apply the same principle, equal to 16 by 320, 0.05, okay. So can I apply the same thing here? Can I apply the same thing here?
Yes, ma'am.
Is equal to 0.05 into, I'll say 30 T, correct? Any doubts so far? Equal to, so when I say D is equal to, I need to find out, equal to 24 by 0.058. That comes to 411. Just give me a sec, sorry. Okay, it's inversely proportional and therefore it has to be so now S is going to be 16 by 40 is equal to 8. Okay. Okay. .4. So K is equal to 8 by 0.4. 20. K is 20. So let me equate it this way. So I will say equal to 24 by 30. Okay. 0.8 and 20. That is 16 shelves. Are you following, class? Did you understand? I had made a mistake. I'm sorry. समझ में आया कि नहीं आपको? Class, see, always जो चाहिए उसके साथ हम equate करते हैं. Last time we needed chairs, okay? Number of days had gone up. Number of workers had gone up, so chairs had to go up. Now workers have come down, okay? But the shelves have gone up. So obviously days will have to go up, correct? Class. So when I took my required variable on the left hand side, समझ में आ रहा है class? All of you? Class, are you there? Can you please?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please answer me?
Yes, ma'am.
What I did was I took the required variable on my left hand side, right hand side alone. ठीक है? तो मैंने जब इस तरफ लिया, बाकी दोनों को equate किया, right? So was number of shells divided by number of workers and amount it varies. Per shelf के लिए इतना चाहिए, correct? So when I equated that, I got it as 0.4. So I found that out, and when I equated it, I found K also here. So it varies by 20 units. Same way, I applied it to the other half of it. 30 workers, 24 shells, and how many days does it require? करोगे आप? Will you copy it?